13 on your side. Riley Mack was inside the courtroom when the mistrial was declared. She joins us live with that part of our coverage. Riley, what was it like inside there?
Absolutely, Lauren. I waited 20 hours through that jury deliberation. I was sitting on the floor outside the courtroom in the hallway, just waiting to be let into that courtroom to see the reactions to that verdict. We were only allowed one, video camera allowed in that courtroom, so we needed someone in there to get all the reactions, and luckily I was able to see it all. From the moment I walked in there at 9:30 this morning, you could hear a pin drop in that room. It was silent, and the air kind of felt tense in there. Some of Schurr's loved ones were praying, some were taking deep breaths. It was just a really quiet atmosphere of this, what it's kind of been this whole trial, this hurry up and wait. We sat there for about 20 minutes until the judge came in, and immediately she announced that, this trial would be a mistrial because of the hung jury. And then the jury came in, they said this is true. The reaction in the courtroom, there was no you expect this big reaction to a verdict being read, and that certainly was not the case here. Some people were kind of let out a breath of air, and it just goes to show kind of, an underwhelming reaction to kind of an underwhelming end to this case that has caused, strife in Grand Rapids for 3 years now, that still has not come to a conclusion here.
All right, Riley, thank you very much.